way that the cheetahs are sort of jumping up at each other. It's lovely.
I have today got a Lookiero unboxing for you. Right, so the first pack, a very nice scarf by the looks of it. A nice scarf, which if I didn't have so many scarves that I've just got from FabFitFun, that would be great because that is a nice colour. Actually, I might keep it anyway. Wonder how much that is. Let's just see. I'll tell you in a minute. I'll tell you down below how much that is. I'll try that on. Very nice colouring for an autumn person. Very nice and warm. Very chunky. Some green pleather look jeans from Only. I did keep a pair of Only jeans from them last time because they fitted me really well, or 2 times back, because they fitted me around the hips and around the waist, which is unusual for a pair of jeans. So I'm looking forward to trying those. And green jeans would be good. Right, these are the jeans, and they do fit me. A nice warehouse rust coloured dress, actually. Looks like a dress. Looks like a dress, sleeveless dress. Very nice. I'm not sure this is the time of the year I'll be wearing a sleeveless quite a thin dress actually. I suppose Warehouse have got this in stock at this time of year, in the autumn. Nice autumn colours, but it's not the sort of thing you're going to be wearing this time of year, is it? This is a Warehouse dress, and yeah, it fit. Honestly, look how it fits me. I mean, I'm 5'1". It's not easy to get me dresses. This is a really nice maxi, just the wrong time of year for it. So, do I make the investment now because it's a fantastic colour? A nice black polo neck jumper, which I've got to say, even though that, you know, I'm warm colouring, I think black's a staple. And I like that. That would be very, very... And I can get a lot of use out of a black polo neck. It's not skinny like in the, you know, in the other Stitch Fix box. It's not ribbed, skinny. This is nice weight, nice shape, hangs well. They really do capture my boho style, I've got to say, and that's one of the options they give you to mark yourself as boho, which Stitch Fix doesn't. So I do like that, and I think that they capture that in when they're styling me. The last item is, oh my goodness, look, a shirt with leopards on it. Isn't that fun? From Sugarhill. Sugarhill, Brighton. Isn't that fun? Is that Brighton in England? I'll have to look them up. I'll look them up and let you know. Because I'm just down the road from Brighton. But what a fun shirt. Okay, the shirt with the cheetahs on. It's a nice loose shirt. This is it tucked into the jeans. So, is this a 5 out of 5, this box? Let's see. So, is it a 5 out of 5? First of all, Kate. Kate says, first, I do quite like a modern style with a boho twist. I've sent these waxed jeans by Only. Now, we've established that these Only jeans really do fit well. And I do like pleather, and it does suit my style. So I am keeping those. So that's a keep. These jeans are £45, but I think I will get I know I'll get £45 worth of use out of them. Those coated jeans, I know I will. Pair them with a versatile roll neck. We saw that would look well. We saw that would look well. Now, I was looking at the price of this and I went, ah! Because I read 245, but that's Norwegian krona. So it's actually, in sterling, it is £25. £25. I'll get a lot of use out of that with these trousers and, you know, with other things as well. So that is just a nice loose fit roll neck that, yes, I could wear. So I'm keeping that. For a more dressed up look, try the printed shirt by Sugarhill from Brighton. She says this is perfect for a chic day tonight look with heeled ankle boots and a leather jacket. Undo a few top buttons and add some layered necklaces to complete the outfit. I know the shirt is a little pricier, but this is a Brighton-based brand, makes such lovely styles. Now, I do like shirts because I think they're very flattering for my age and our tummies. It's in £52.30. It's called the Joy Dancing Cheetah shirt. It hangs nice. It's interesting. It's not quite white, it's an ivory, which actually doesn't show up on the camera maybe so much, but it's slightly ivory, which suits my colouring. A little bit on the fence about that, a little bit on the fence. I like it a lot, but I don't know if I like it. So £52 I said. That was, you know, it's quite a lot, isn't it? This dress I really liked on, and it fitted me perfectly. Now, if I was a different type of personality, I would keep this, but I'm not going to. And the reason is that me being a boho style or a natural type personality, do you know, I'm going to stain it. And because it's plain, and it's that sort of material, I feel I'm going to get grease on it, I'm going to stain on it. I think it's £42. £42, yeah, £42. I don't think I'm going to get, I really love it. I'm not going to get over the years, I'm not going to get £42 worth out of it. Because I would be always worried, although it's lovely, I'll always be worried, well, I can't wear it out for a meal. I'll get stains on it. So I'll end up wearing it, I can't wear it to barbecue, I'll get stains and grease all over it. You know, so I won't wear it. It will stick in my wardrobe because I'll be too afraid to wear it. So I'm going to have to return that, so that would just be a waste. The other thing I'm going to return is the scarf, because if I didn't have a whole load of scarves I just got from FabFitFun, this would be great. But I've actually just got some scarves, so I don't really need this, but it's lovely. It is definitely a scarf that would suit my colouring and suit my personality, and if I didn't have plenty already, I would be keeping that. And that's a closet scarf, and that is £25.20. So I don't need it for £25.20. I don't need it, so I'm going to return that. Both lovely items, both chosen really well. I just don't need them, so I'm not going to keep them. So what I will keep, definitely that and that. Obviously this video is going to go up too late for you to help me with the blouse. So I am going to have to ask a friend. No, I'll ask the family. I'm going to think about this. I've got a day to think about it. I'll let you know later. John,
Yes.
should I keep this shirt?
Yeah, definitely. Yes. I'm loving it.
Why?
Because it's just you. It's bonkers. No, it's really, really nice. I do like that. The way that the cheetahs are sort of, you know, jumping up at each other. It's lovely.
Now, when you use my code, you get 10% off the items you keep off your first order, which is not bad, is it? So my code's down below, and you'll also find it in comments. I'll put it down in comments as well, in the pinned comment.